So we are looking at the lifetime of computers, and the mean lifetime is supposed to be 81 months, and the variance, sigma squared, is supposed to be 64. So I don't actually want the variance, I want the standard deviation, so I'm just going to go ahead and square root both sides to get standard deviation 8 months. Okay, what's the probability of the mean of a sample of size 58 being below 81.55? So I don't know anything about the shape of the original distribution, but I do know that if you take every possible sample of 58 computers, find the sample means and plot them out, you'll get something approximately normal. And that's because of the central limit theorem, which says that as you take random samples, as the sample size increases, the sample means